Unlock the power of Google Calendar.
Google Calendar is a favorite for managing events, but it's packed with hidden tools you might not know about. Discover 5 lesser-known features that can make your scheduling smarter, faster, and more productive. Whether you use Google Calendar for work or personal life, these shortcuts and settings can streamline your day and keep you organized.
Set up appointment slots.
With appointment slots, you can let others book time with you, perfect for meetings or office hours. Create blocks of availability and share a link so others can pick a slot. This feature, found in the desktop version, simplifies scheduling without back-and-forth emails, making it great for teachers, consultants, or anyone coordinating appointments.
Automate with event notifications.
Custom notifications let you choose exactly how and when you get event reminders. Set multiple alerts for one event, like a pop-up one day before, plus an email an hour ahead. This flexibility ensures you never miss important appointments and can tailor reminders to fit your workflow.
Embed calendars on websites.
Did you know you can embed your Google Calendar on a website or blog? Share your availability, project timelines, or group events with others easily. Customize what others see and keep everyone up to date without exposing your entire calendar. It's perfect for teams, families, or organizations with shared schedules.
Add events with natural language.
The quick add saves time by letting you create events with simple phrases like lunch with Sam at 12 p.m. tomorrow. Google Calendar instantly turns your words into a scheduled event, cutting down on clicks and manual entry. This feature speeds up planning and works on both web and mobile.
Find a meeting time easily.
The Find a Time feature helps you schedule meetings efficiently with others within your organization. When adding guests, Google Calendar shows overlapping schedules, suggesting available time slots for everyone. This eliminates the hassle of endless emails trying to agree on a meeting time.